Hey everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance, where we help you make more money and save time. And today we're cutting through the noise to compare two AI video creation or generation heavyweights, and they are Phant AI Video Maker and Virbo. Want to see which one is right for your business? Do you want to create stunning videos from just a text prompt? Well, let's break it down to see which you should use. Let's start with their core strengths. Phant AI Video Maker has hyper-realistic AI avatars and acting. Virbo, on the other hand, has massive template library and ease of use. It's very easy to use, and most importantly, they're kind of like different tools for different purposes. So you can actually use both. Should we say? Let's find out. Let's go to their AI avatars. Phant AI Video Maker, it brings your photos to life, so it's incredibly lifelike and gives you great emotional range. Virbo, on the other hand, has good quality and huge variety of avatars, really great. If we look at the templates they have, Phant AI Video Maker has a growing library that focuses on quality. They have a lot of animations that you can use. While Virbo, on the other hand, has thousands of templates for ads, marketing. In fact, just think it, they have it. Yes, they have for marketing, explainers, so they have a lot. That's for Virbo. When we look at ease of use, Phant AI Video Maker is simple and has powerful customization. Virbo, on the other hand, is extremely intuitive and has a simple drag and drop method. If we look at the voice and language, Phant AI Video Maker, when it comes to the sound, barely has any sound. While Virbo has great multi-language support. When it comes to what they are best for, Phant AI Video Maker is best for, so many things. Social media content, marketing. As long as you want something powerful, fast, and you want to just change old photos into moving pictures, you want to animate things, they have lots of wonderful, fun, loving AI animations you can use. You can make pictures hug, you can make them fly. You can just type in, make a dog flying on a pizza as a saucer, and to do it for you. It's really, really fun. So it's best for so many things, but it's not for real video editors. It's more like fun social media stuff. While Virbo is best for quick social content, marketing, and tutorials. So in conclusion, Virbo is your go-to for speed also. If you need a professional video for TikTok or a product explainer, Virbo's massive library is a lifesaver. While this new one we're talking about, which is Phant AI Video Maker, is also great. It gives you a wow factor. It's super realistic. It's like next generation avatars. In fact, they look like real people, and the emotional expression is wild. It's really wild because they take the pictures and change it exactly, and it looks so real. It's really, really real. It's really great. So price-wise, both of them offer great plans, but Virbo has more accessible free tier for beginners to test the waters. Phant AI also gives you free credits, but they are kind of limited. So what's the final verdict? Well, let's just put it this way, it depends on you. Try both of them and see which you prefer. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tools that boost your business. Hope you found this video helpful.